Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, March 27th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the monthly, I'm still very bullish on the monthly. I still think there's a better chance that this is going to continue to trend up, eventually probably take out these highs, most likely end up at one of these higher Fibonacci extension levels, most likely looking something like that. Now this is the monthly time frame, so that possibly could take a year or more to play out. Going down to the weekly, I still think this first push up on the weekly is an A. I still call this 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and 5 waves down. Looks to me like a running flat wave 2. Higher high wave B, higher high wave C. Definitely fits the characteristics of a running flat. That would make this a wave 1. And whether or not the wave 2 is over, I guess is kind of questionable. I think it more likely is going to go down more to finish the wave 2 before it actually does go up and finish or start that wave 3 like I showed on the monthly. Taking it down to the daily time frame, kind of a little bit of an odd pattern, but I do think that, especially based on correlated pairs, we have it pretty well figured out. I think this first move up is a wave 1. I think this is a 5 wave move to the downside, which would make it a trend, even though it's very overlapping. I think it is a trend for the wave A, leading diagonal wave A. I think this is basically 3 waves up for a wave B, higher high wave B. Now I think we're going down for a wave C. Now if this is an expanding flat, then it could possibly go down to the 50, which I think is actually probably the most likely scenario. If it's like a running flat, then it could possibly make a higher low, and just keep on trending up. But I still think we're in an ABC of 2, and I would definitely still be looking for shorts until we identify the end of this ABC correction, and then we could stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs for this wave 3. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I mean, we definitely got a pretty nice impulsive move up over the last couple of days. To me, it looks like a trend. Looks like it should be a wave A. This move down to me looks like it should be a correction like a wave B, and it seems to me like it's more likely to go up and make a wave C, which would be a correction to this move down. Then it will probably end up continuing the downtrend. Now, the trend is definitely down on the daily time frame, so we have to keep in mind that if we are looking for longs in this wave C, that we do need to be cautious, because sometimes you don't even get a proper wave C. Sometimes the market will just keep on trending down, especially when the trend is down on the roadmap higher time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, this is very overlapping, but to me, it is definitely 5 waves up. I think it's a wave A. I think that's 3 waves down, wave B, right to the 61% Fibonacci retracement level of wave A. I think it is more likely that it is going to go up and take out the high of this wave A. So this would be an A, this would be a B, and then most likely it would go up for a C. Then if you are long and then you see the end of a trend for the wave C, which would be the end of a correction, which would most likely happen at a Fibonacci retracement of this last push down, then I would definitely exit my longs and go short for the continuation of the downtrend. Like I said, definitely be careful, because the daily trend is down, which means that it may not even go up and make a proper wave C. I mean, it very easily could just keep on drifting down from here. So definitely be careful with your counter trend trading. There's no guarantee that it's even going to make this wave C, even though it does look like it should. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my website linked down here in the corner. As always, thanks and happy trading.